Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use position sizing on Robinhood. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to understand position sizing. So position sizing refers to the process of determining the optimal amount of capital to allocate to a particular trade or investment. Now, position sizing can help you to manage risk and maximize returns, as well as to maintain emotional control. Now, the step two, let's determine your position sizing strategy. The first is fixed fractional position sizing, and that's where you allocate a fixed percentage of your account balance trade. You also have a fixed ratio position sizing, where you can allocate a fixed amount of capital to each trade based on a predetermined ratio. There's also volatility based position sizing, where you can adjust position size based on market volatility. Now, the third step is to set up position sizing on Robinhood. How you want to do that is by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the trade screen, and then once you're there, you want to select the stock that you want to trade and then enter the amounts that you want to allocate to the trade. Of course, that's based on your position sizing strategy. And you can just review the trade details and confirm the trade. Now, for step 4, you want to monitor and adjust your position size. First thing you can do is to keep track of your trades and adjust your position size as needed. You want to make sure you periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your target position sizes. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use position sizing on Robinhood. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.